Welcome back to Mile High Customs. My name is Leah. I am one of the sales associates here in the front shop. Today we are going to be unboxing this body kit, which is a walled body kit for a 2006 Bentley Continental Flying Spur. Let's see what's inside. Okay, and I have my coworker here, Ali, who is going to be helping me unbox everything because these are some big parts. So, all right, they really packaged this thing. Okay, in this kit specifically, there's a front bumper, a rear bumper with the exhaust tips, and a trunk spoiler, which I believe this is what this is. And then in this other box here, we have the side skirts. So let's keep, all right, okay. Okay, we got everything unboxed here. As you can see, we will be keeping everything in the bubble wrap because this kit did come in early. In the car, we won't be starting on it until next week. We are going to be working on a 2006 Bentley Continental Flying Spur. This customer's vehicle does have a little bit of damage on the front bumper and the rear bumper, so hence the reason why we're going to be replacing these pieces, as well as adding some side skirts and the trunk spoiler. In addition to that, we are going to be wrapping the vehicle. The customer wants to completely black everything out, so it's going to be awesome looking. And we're going to be doing window tint as well as headlight tint, taillight tint, the whole 9 yards. We are doing it all. Oh, the weekend's calling. We'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, Leah has a customer coming in here on a Bentley, but she be getting scary when they come in here. She act like we call her in the game and she don't want to go in the game all of a sudden. She asked for playing time. We just going playing time. Now she don't want to go in the game. No. Now she act like she don't remember the plays now. You know what I mean?
No.
All right, we gonna see.
Oh my God, I think this is...
We gonna see. How you doing?
Hi. Good, thanks. How are you guys?
Welcome in.
What's up? Let's go check it out.
So the bumper, it's a lot different. So your wall kit that you selected, it's a lot different than what we're looking at right now.
Did you want to do anything?
I would like to even shade the headlights, but not dark. Just
we don't go too dark on that, just because if you go like dark, you want, especially if you get a windshield tint. So windshield tint, we're always going to recommend light smoke.
So this is our back shop. This is where we typically do like performance and like wheels. This is where all of our detail products are. This is our shop car, the McLaren. It's undergoing some love right now, but yeah, so this is gonna be your front bumper here.
As far as the actual vehicle itself, where it sits is gonna sit that way, but as far as where the bumper is gonna sit on it, I don't know yet until I actually get the bumper piece on. I'll be able to see exactly what we're working with. As far as suspension and stuff is concerned, the overall car, that's gonna be the same, but yeah, the bumper could sit a little bit lower, just based on that.
So for like the headlight tint, we recommend doing like a light smoke. That's kind of what Marcus was talking about. Essentially, you'll still be able to see at nighttime, but it's like not too dark. And then for like the tail lights, did you want to kind of keep them at that same darkness that they're at right now?
For sure.
Okay.
That.
Which one?
Blue. Yeah.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's a nice color right there.
Do you want to see them outside too, like in the sunlight?
Is that
Yeah.
Should we compare? It's darker. Yeah. I like this one now.
Yeah. Completely different.
Ricardo, where's your tip on the sides from?
Percentage-wise?
No, like where'd you get
Nice to meet you guys.
What's up, man?
Where'd you get it from?
Ultravision?
Oh, that's from Ultravision?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
I appreciate you.
Which one was that?
That's sunset all around, but depending how you look at the glass, you either go blue or you get the orange effect.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sunset on the sides?
All around. Rear, front, side.
Yeah.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love that look.
I
You do like a blue or a purple. It's like that.
yeah.
I do. And to get the tint going crazy too.
Okay.
I like his style. Let's just do it to the Bentley.
Yeah, let's do it.
I do.
So that's going to be your forge. But if you were saying, like you were talking about outside, it's kind of depending on the amount of money you want to spend, on that, or what the budget is on that one. You have the choice of going with the HF8, which is a hybrid forge, or we can just go straight for the
Yes, so this is on the Mercedes. So this is on the GT. On the GT right here. So yeah, that's it right there.
I like those.
Bro, I thought I was gonna get pulled over in my way back. Cause the guy was like Walgreens, and that's Walgreens he was at, he can go either down or come up. He seen me, I see him do this, staring at my shit. He comes my way, but he went straight. I was like, damn.
Pleasure meeting you.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, my man. Thank you. Appreciate it. See you later. Nice meeting you.
What's up guys, it's Centennial here. I'm going to be starting off with the chrome delete on this 2006 Bentley Continental. This vehicle is going to be getting the complete package. It's going to be getting color change PPF, chrome delete, headlight and taillight tint. It's also going to be, we're going to be adding a new body kit on there. It's going to be called the walled body kit. Something you can kind of compare to like a Brabus body kit. Also going to be getting powder coated wheels. But as of now, first thing we're going to start off with is doing the chrome delete on the window. Mic check. Metro boom, make it boom. So I just got the taillights removed on the Bentley. I'm gonna get ready to smoke it out inside Lux Dark Smoke taillight tint now, while the other guys are removing the hardware on the rest of the vehicle.
I want to be over there.
Only.
Don't do it. You can. Yeah, it's fine like that.
Hey guys, Zach here. Just finished wrapping the hood with this satin black Lumar PPF. This car is going to go through a pretty big transformation, color change PPF, a chrome delete, and a new body kit. So it's going to be pretty amazing when it gets finished. I'm going to keep working on this and check in with you guys later.
All right, so we got the infamous Bentley. This thing has been here longer than some of our employees have been here. But if you guys take a look at what Centennial is doing, he's doing something that we've honestly never done before. He is wrapping the window.
Hey, we're finishing the wheels, man.
One and only.
So Ricardo's a little excited. It's Friday and the camera's out. So in the morning, we had our Friday morning meeting. He was half asleep. But anyways, back to this. So we are actually using lights film. So the same exact type of film that we use on headlights and taillights. It is transparent, but it gives it a smoked out look. If you guys can see on these windows, we talked about this earlier in this video, probably a few months ago, but as you guys can see, the window is faded right over here. And where the actual window is, I'll go ahead and open this up just so you guys can see it from the inside. So you can still see perfectly out, but like this little edge over here is faded on the outside. So in order to try and make it look a little bit better, we're gonna go ahead and use that lights film on it and see how it looks. So Centennial's just doing a little bit of a test window, if you would call it. We're gonna see how that looks, if you can actually see out of it. We are not gonna be doing the actual full windows, but you know, just these quarters. We can sacrifice a little bit of visibility for the looks in order to make it look a lot better. If you guys remember, it costs close to about $20,000 to replace all the windows on this vehicle in order to get that faded look off. So by wrapping it, won't be a fraction of the cost. So Centennial just finished that up. We'll go ahead and take a look at it, send a few pictures to the customer, see what they think, see what we think, and then hopefully the customer is going to be picking it up on Monday. Today is Friday, so after this weekend, after months of the car being here working on it, you know, I got the whole entire works. We'll talk a little bit about more of exactly what we did towards the end of the video, but enough talking, go ahead and take a look at it.
What's up guys? Man, this build right here, this build, It took a while. I mean, it took a lot longer than what we thought, and we were kind of adding things to this build. But you know what? This particular vehicle meant a lot to the customer. This Bentley meant a lot to their family. It's been in the family for a long time, and they want to revive it, and they brought it to Mile High Customs. So we were honored to get our hands on this car, and honored to do this build with them. But you know what? Without any further ado, let's take a look at it. If you remember how we started off with this vehicle, this does not look like anything how this vehicle started off. I mean, the Bentley, obviously, you know, the complete color change in Lumar's matte black paint protection film. But we also fitted this vehicle in a complete walled body kit and got rid of all the chrome. No chrome with the matte black, can't have it. You know, and then we had to put the 22s on here. Went back and forth a little bit on the wheels. We ended up going with the S1713 Forge Boston wheels in a 22-inch all the way through the back. And again, you know you had to get the floating cap. If it's a Bentley, the floating cap is a must. As we walk you through, my man, let's just kind of take a look at it. Listen, that side sill, those rockers, 10 times more aggressive. As we go to the back, the wall body kit does not disappoint. The rear of this body kit and that rear bumper, 10 times more aggressive. Does not give you that quote unquote luxury presidential looks. It gives you the luxury and the sport look. We also got the exhaust tips on the back and did a complete new exhaust on this. So this vehicle is pushing out way more sound than it ever has. All right, guys, I want you to hear this. This is a brand new custom exhaust on the Bentley 06 Flying Spur. This is completely different from what the stock sounded like. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what you guys think. Way more aggressive as far as the sound of the vehicle, way more aggressive as far as the look of the vehicle. And as we kind of walk around and look at the windows, obviously we tinted it with Lumar's Stratos film, Lumar's Formula One Stratos film, and a 5% throughout the sides and a 30% on the windshield. But when we take a look at this, guys, this was a stained glass. You know what? We're not paying $20,000 for new glass from Bentley. We told the customer, we advised them not to do it. It happens, it's an older vehicle. But as far as how everything else turned out, just take a look at it. I mean, this vehicle is beautiful. It is a lot more aggressive, and I think it kind of hit exactly what our client was looking for, of giving it the luxury look, but to have it more aggressive and more sporty. Let us know what you think. Did we hit it all right? Did we get it right? Birds are flying in the air tonight. Did we get it all right with the wall body kit, with the chrome delete, 5% tint, Boston wheels, new exhaust? How does it look to you? Is it the best 06 you ever seen? It's the best 06 I ever seen. If you have seen something else, definitely send it in the comments, send it to us. But again, guys, let us know what you think. 06 Bentley Flying Spurs, going out to one of our clients here. We were so happy and honored to do it for them. We know it means a lot to their family. Guys, let us know what you think in the comments. And here we are with another one. 06 Bentley Flying Spur, matte black customs, Mile High Customs. We out of here. Peace out.